Every dream has a starting point, and for many students, that dream begins beyond borders. Studying abroad isn't just about education. It's about discovering new opportunities, new cultures, and a whole new version of yourself. But where do you start? What comes first? And how do you make the right choices? That's why we created this special 10-part documentary series to guide you step by step through your study abroad journey. From choosing your dream destination, selecting the right course, preparing your documents, applying for your visa, to finally stepping into your new life overseas. We'll walk with you through every step. Whether you're just starting to dream or ready to take the next step, this series is for you. Follow along, stay informed, and get ready to turn your study abroad dream into reality. 10 videos, 10 steps, one life-changing journey.